Hello and welcome to Modern Farming Techniques. In today's video, I'm going to show you Japanese black watermelon agriculture process and the pooling, harvesting, and processing technology of Japanese. So keep watching till the end and enjoy the Japanese watermelon agriculture. Let's discover the remarkable techniques employed in Japanese greenhouse cultivation. Japanese farmers have perfected the art of growing watermelons in a controlled environment. The process begins with careful seed selection, ensuring the highest quality and desirable traits. Creating an optimal greenhouse environment is crucial for watermelon cultivation. Japanese farmers monitor and control factors such as temperature, humidity, and light. Specialized equipment and technologies help maintain ideal conditions throughout the growth cycle. To maximize space and promote healthy growth, watermelon vines are trained using a trellising system. The vines are guided along vertical structures, allowing efficient utilization of greenhouse space and facilitating better air circulation. Watermelon plants rely on pollination for fruit development. Since natural pollinators may be limited within the greenhouse, farmers often employ manual pollination techniques using specialized brushes or other tools. Proper irrigation and nutrition management are vital for watermelon plants. Japanese farmers use advanced irrigation systems to provide the precise amount of water required by the plants. They also implement precise nutrient management strategies to supply necessary elements for optimal growth and fruit development. As the watermelons grow, farmers closely monitor their development, observing key indicators such as fruit size, color, and sound to determine ripeness. Japanese watermelons are known for their exceptional quality, sweetness, and texture, carefully nurtured throughout the growth process. Once the watermelons reach peak ripeness, they are carefully harvested using specialized tools to minimize damage to the fruit. Harvesting at the right time ensures maximized flavor and sweetness. After harvesting, watermelons are transported to the processing facility where they undergo various steps to ensure quality and preservation. They are sorted, washed, polished, waxed, and undergo quality control checks before packaging and labeling. Trained professionals perform visual checks to ensure each watermelon meets the desired standard of size, color, and overall quality. Once passed, watermelons are packaged, labeled, stored, and distributed to various markets and retailers. one of the most popular summer fruits in watermelon. You can transform a whole watermelon into a culinary masterpiece. Whether enjoyed on its own in salads, smoothies, or desserts, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching the Japanese watermelon agriculture technology. I hope you liked and shared this video with your friends and family. Please comment on what you want to watch in the next video and subscribe to my channel. Your support is greatly appreciated.